Thanks for watching UX and Specs, the point of view artifact review, where an artifact, be it physical or digital, is literally reviewed from the user's point of view based on the scenario and tasks of a persona. The star is Thumb, Tom's Thumb. And me, Tom Peterson, does all the talking. In this review, setting the alarm on a hotel clock. The persona is Alfred Medic, a widowed male in his 50s with 2 grown and married boys. He lives in Seattle and is a Volkswagen car salesman by day and a movie buff master of the home theater by night. He has been invited to the Volkswagen of America headquarters in Virginia to meet with the executive sales director. For the last 12 years, Tara, the family's black lab, has awakened him every morning to go outside at 6 a.m. He is not concerned since the hotel has an alarm clock, and if he can set the time on his VCR, he feels pretty confident he can set the alarm on a clock. Alfred's primary goal? Wake up at 6 a.m. using the hotel alarm clock, not his dog Tar. The full persona and scenario are available at uxandspecs.com. Something not very intuitive about the clock are the order of the hour and minute buttons. On this clock, the minute button precedes the hour button. The Volkswagen clocks Alfred is accustomed to arrange the buttons in the same order as the unit in which they affect. So the hour button is on the left, and the minute button is on the right. The clock, hour, and minute buttons are the same buttons used for the alarm. The only difference is holding the wake button while pressing the hour or minute button sets the time for the alarm. This clock provides the option to be alerted by tone or radio. Although Alfred is used to being awakened by the cold nose of Tar, he chooses tone over the more pleasant music for the alert type. There is no postponing a full bladder, so Alfred hasn't had the luxury of snoozing. He has no idea what the difference between sleep and snooze are, but he doesn't plan on using either. Once Alfred is awake, Tar sits at the bedroom door and waits for him, so acknowledging Tar is her off switch. Alfred managed to set the alarm properly, but hit snooze and changed the alert position to music, giving the illusion he had actually turned off the alarm. 9 minutes later, while in the bathroom, it sounded like someone was watching TV in his room. He opened the bathroom door, only to realize it was the clock radio. He wasn't sure why it was playing music or how to turn it off, so he just unplugged it.